Hey guys, how you going? My name is Dom and today I'm going to be introducing Decode channel memberships. So, what are channel memberships? Well, you may have seen on certain YouTube channels there is a little blue join button near the subscribe button. And if you join the channel membership program, then it just means that you're going to pay money to support the channel in exchange for some exclusive benefits. Now just keep in mind that if you are already subscribed to Decode or you are literally watching this video as we speak, you are already supporting my channel, so don't feel pressured to sign up. But if you do sign up, I really appreciate it. It goes a long way to helping me and this channel grow. The benefits you get from this channel membership program in its current form is going to be a couple of badges and emojis. So basically, as we can see right here, if you sign up, you're going to have this little badge or a little Decode logo badge near your name when you comment on my videos or live streams. And as you continue to be a member, the badge is going to level up and you're going to have different sort of colors. You go from regular to bronze, silver, gold, etc. And we've also got some custom emojis. As we can see, you can put the Dom right there because I got endless comments. I've gotten a ridiculous amount of comments. People saying Dom, oh look, Dom's teaching the Dom, whatever. But if you want, you can use that emoji and you can have fun with it. I don't know. We've also got my head, obviously, right? Whatever, I don't know, but if you want to support the channel, I appreciate it. Like I said, it goes a long way to helping me, and if not, that's all good. Don't feel pressured, but there you go. I'll see you guys next time.